In today's video, I am going to teach you how to display PDF thumbnails in File Explorer with Adobe Acrobat Reader. If your PDFs all look like generic icons in File Explorer, turning on thumbnail previews makes it much easier to spot the right document at a glance. We'll do this entirely from Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. And it only takes a minute. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader on your computer. You don't need to open a particular file, just launch the app so we can change a setting. Next, open Preferences. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, click the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the app window and choose Preferences from the list. Preferences is where Acrobat keeps most of its global settings, including how it integrates with Windows. In the Preferences window, look to the left for the Categories list and click General. This section controls broad behavior and interface options. On the right side, find the checkbox labeled Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer. This is the option that lets File Explorer show miniature previews of the first page of each PDF instead of a plain icon. Turn that checkbox on when you are done. Click OK to confirm and apply the change. That saves the setting and closes the Preferences window. At this point, you may see a prompt asking to add the feature to the current installation. Go ahead and click Yes. This adds the small component Acrobat uses to generate and hand off thumbnails to Windows. It's quick, and you may notice a brief progress bar as it completes. If your system asks for permission to make changes, allow it so the feature can be installed properly. Now let's refresh File Explorer so the new thumbnails appear. Sometimes they show up right away, but it's normal for Windows to take a moment to build previews, especially in folders with lots of PDFs. If you don't see them immediately, wait a few seconds and then check again. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer to finish the update. After the refresh or restart, open a folder with PDFs, and you should see each file displaying a small image of its first page. The first pass can be slower as Windows generates the cache, but once that's done, thumbnails will load much faster the next time you browse. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.